Big up the top
But
G.
before we go so bombing, brother, and get into the other party about this a be me say when they catch my boy and say them all charge me now. See? Police brother there. Me say they go for charge him. The dog say. When they say? Like the rest of him say, you've been charged with X, Y, and Z. Me say the dog response was, Jaja.
Who that?
They said police boy.
Yeah. Where them again? Maitland?
Yeah. Me so when the man tell him say you've been charged with X, Y, and Z and basically make we can't find the body. Me say the dog response was, Jaja. Jaja.
Jaja.
Jaja.
That's where we should have said looking in.
First off, brother.
What?
This not look good. Because where is she? And all of us say we find her blood and woman sitting. But we not see her. You know what go on.
Him have accomplices, man.
Yeah, man.
Him have accomplices.
So with fear thing you know, brother. Because right now, you know, dog, we not have to state the obvious, you know.
Yeah.
Because you're not missing so long, you know.
Yeah.
Because if you're missing and you're alive for true, somebody that see already and somebody that inform, you know.
Facts.
And say, hey, girl, you see everybody look
Go home, yeah.
You see me? So the ship they sail, you know, that. So right now, the current state of the whole thing, Zane, like, what kind of input you say you have on the whole situation, you know?
Same thing I said last time. Some people like it, some people did not.
Yeah, most people don't like it though, I'm sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Because you got remember, you know, brother, anything. This is it. Anything that you say, them are gonna say you're blaming the victim.
Bruh,
You see me? I say?
this is it, right? Nobody, everybody can say, alright, so you have a specific group of women over here, so, right?
Yeah.
They are known to be violent. Them kill them man like Black Widow Spider when them done with them. And then everybody talk about them, you know, and me take up myself.
Go link one of them. Yeah.
I'm gonna end up get boof. It's my fault, bro.
Yeah, what go on? You see, and this is it, you know. I'm gonna tell you this straight. And them people who watch this, I know them will take this away too, but this is just the reality. If it was a case where you as a man go link with a woman or you go do something and something reach you, they would be more inclined to say that it's your
my fault. Yeah. It's my fault. Me should have known better.
Yep.
You understand?
So you go link a girl, she have a man, you go her yard. And even if you know she have a man and you go her yard and the man come and something happen and the man buff you, they will go say, but you know she have man. They would have quick for say that about you know.
Yeah.
If it was a woman and that happened, they will go say, oh, them still going to blame the man.
Still going to blame the man. Yeah.
Can I go say, you there with the two girls and make them can link up and make who this, that, even if the other girl knows say you have a woman, you know. What it is, brother, it goes back to what we say. When it comes to man, damned if you do,
damned if you don't, brother.
You can't do nothing right.
How much, brother, from me a little youth, we hear how police and soldier deal with them woman. Me not have to be a police for know because me here. We've seen the news stories. Them man, them more violent than the average man. Me don't know if I the training or what, but sometime them chip lick.
Yep.
Right? Not all of them.
No, it's true.
But me not gonna gamble with my life, sir.
Yeah.
You think me gonna see them same woman that will kill them man after them done have sex with them and say, you know, say one of them probably different. No man, I wanna look different, man. They all known to kill them man when them done have sex with them. So when me gonna put myself in that predicament there? You're right. Damn if you do. If you're a man, damn if you do, damn if you don't.
Yeah, you can't do nothing about that.
And right now, me think with my boy there, Maitland. Them all charge him with something about the burial, like them say he might obstruct the lawful burial.
Yeah.
The people them ask for the woman body. Where is the woman body?
Brother, boy, the whole thing is crazy, you know, cause I wish them did find the body, you know.
Right.
Literally, they just wish, bro, just so the family can even get them closure. You see me? And them nice funeral and them do them thing. Not saying a funeral nice, but you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You see me? Them get for do what other families can get for do for feed them loved ones.
Yeah.
And for restrict them from that because you know I'm complaining. I mean, either way, bro, the jig is up.
Yeah. At this point.
The jig is up.
At this point.
Because first off, they must say some forensic thing going on, whole heap of blood and whatever, and apparently the blood is hers.
Yeah.
So was she there? And how is it that a few premises the jig is up, bro?
They must say a circumstantial cause the witnesses them never see. But me they are reading that star.
That, bro.
Yeah, me they are reading at the star where like they must say the neighbor have about 5 or 6 camera and they must ask them for delete the footage. Delete footage?
First off, you see all them something there? You asking them for delete footage?
You're guilty, man.
Yeah, because on a regular day, I know you're not go over the ask them that, you know.
Right.
But you know sitting there on the way we nothing see.
Right.
Right? And then all of a sudden at this time frame where we don't have no Donna Lee is when you want them delete footage. I mean in Jamaica this. While in America, you know, America they will have some type of clause and almost sitting here you say, well if you never have this and don't have that, you get where? In Jamaica you don't know that already, brother. A common sense you know using a quote in Jamaica, you know.
Brother.
Them only do them other run up and down here because it's a just call it it's a necessity for do it.
Yeah.
But if everybody don't drop them opinion, you know.
Everybody.
So you do me, brother.
Brother down to a 5-year-old can tell us say that guilty.
Yeah, man, you do, man.
You see me? And if I never him kill her, a woman kill her.
Yeah, 1 out of the 2.
1 out of
Because how convenient to go here for somebody else. Where the other third person
brother, if me innocent I get charged for murder, you think me I say Jaja? You think me I got blood class say Jaja?
Dog said Jaja. Even call you fuck.
Bumbo Clark, rest in peace, Donna Lee. But to all of the women them where, listen, ladies, don't put yourself in that situation.
Yeah, man. Protect yourself, man.
Protect yourself.
Protect yourself.
Stop with the likes thing.
No, try to go back to the thing where same thing. I saw an interview my boy Andrew Tate and I talk about rape.
Yeah.
And I think he would have said something man, woman apparently I said he must say, you know.
Them deserve it.
Yeah, the R word, them deserve it. And it's like, the man said me never said that.
No.
The man said me just tell us say, we teach people say them not for do them thing, yeah? But you gotta have human beings. We're gonna say, well, me no business, so we're gonna do it anyway. So protect yourself from them people. So the man say if we walk go down in our neighborhood where them say don't you so I be a murderer and thief and everybody and I don't do that $1 million cash in my hand so.
Yeah.
And somebody come jack it from me. I'ma call police and them come. The man say the police I go probably want to ask me.
Why you go down there?
Why you go down there with $1 million in your hand?
Yeah.
But you ask a woman that, why you walk on the road so late at night?
Yeah, I should be able to wear what I want or wear nothing and to go where I want.
You should be able to. Other people not supposed to get murder.
Yeah.
But them get murder anyway.
Bruh, I don't know what it is with this mindset, bro.
I feel like it's dangerous to tell woman boss say you can do whatever you want.
It is dangerous because you set them up.
Yeah, because that's not how the world works.
You're setting them up. You tell a woman say, for go down here with little or nothing. You're right. You should be able to do that.
Yeah.
But in this world,
brother,
no.
If me go to zoo, and me see one lion in my den, Zane, and me jump over there and I expect say the lion is not gonna me.
You're a clown.
Me am mad somebody. Should I be eaten by a lion? That's me and a part of food chain.
Exactly.
Literally, because I don't live in a while. But what me I do over there?
Yeah.
At that now.
Yeah. But you say these things now and it seems it's seen as a hit out, like regard them life or nothing.
Yeah.
No. We are trying to show no.
So
what Jamaica say? Prevention better than cure.
Best believe that.
Me now left America and go Jamaica with Beer Julia walk downtown. I'm gonna get robbed.
Down at Dunkirk.
Right? I'm gonna get
chain around neck and money all drop out of pocket.
I'm gonna get robbed.
Yeah. And when a man run on and say, give me them here. And then no, you're not supposed to rob you. Well, I mean, you're right. He's not supposed to rob me.
Unload for you, man.
He's not supposed to rob me. But him decide say, I rob me. He's not supposed to do it. What that for happen?
Crazy, bro.
Brother.
Crazy.
Believe it.
Rest in peace, Donna Lee, bro.
So boom. So alright. So